There's no constitution that is near as fake, near as deceitful, near as make-believe in nature and in content as the constitution, as what we call the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended.
The people did not agree that the 1999 constitution is their constitution. We didn't vote for its approval. So it's not cognizable in law as a valid constitution. It has been imposed upon by sheer force.
The constitution that we have at present is a fraud.
This is the problem. This constitution can never give us progress. This constitution can never give us peace.
A country of vibrant people with fertile land and fertile minds that could compete with the rest of the world. We have been locked down by a 68-item exclusive list in our constitution that takes away electricity, takes away all the infrastructure, takes away every means of production. The contention of Ninas is simple. We have not made any constitution, full stop. We neither met, we neither agreed nor write any. We just did not do what was alleged to have been done, which was now basis of which became basis of the instrument that has now hijacked our lives. The constitutional force majeure succeeded 100% in its objectives. You must now call a meeting of the sovereign constituent components, who will have to decide how to reconfigure their union. And if they can't get it, if for any reason they are not able to find common ground, we must disperse forthwith.
Yeah, what do you mean by restructuring? Well, I don't even like the word restructuring. I prefer the expressions like reconfiguration, decentralization. Everybody can grasp that. Decentralization. And those who lead us, they recognize the necessity of it. They recognize the importance, almost the inevitability of it.
For all of those who are now very hungry, for all of those who are being slaughtered in the manner that had not happened before across the Middle Belt, for all of those who are now looking for where to run to in a Nigeria that that has an economy that is on a free fall, currency that is on a free fall, everything that has gone wrong now flowing from the fact that we went to that election at the time we should have been going to transition. We haven't seen the worst of what will come from going to election in 2023 under that constitution that guarantees evil. The last part of this task, go to where the information is, you take the videos you see there, begin to share it amongst those who do not know. Information is power. What you have in that YouTube channel is bigger than all the military, is bigger than anything gun can do.
Without reinventing the wheel, therefore, let me state very clearly that the principles I've been talking about include, certainly not limited to, building and compacting a truly people-led and people-driven constitution that they will own and defend against political predators of any form.
Our prescription is that no improvement can be attained under that constitution. Generally, things will only get worse until it all collapses into some commotion, some very heavy commotion. And therefore, things that will not change no matter who becomes president, mandated by the constitution, that is like the tap from where the evils flow. For which reason Ninas say to everybody, let's leave election alone. The 5-point proposition of NINAS is the only viable remedy to the 4 things happening to you right now. That's the action we can take now. That's the remedial action available for us to convert the outcome of 2023 presidential election into a transitioning. This constitution can only bring us more death, more misery. Let us go to transition to get it out of our lives and rework our union in a manner that brings back life, in a manner that brings back production, in a manner that brings back security. There's a country we still call Nigeria, but it's no longer a project. The federation we agreed upon in Lancaster House died in 1966. Nigeria has come to where we have to either dismantle it peacefully so that people don't die, or we go to rework it wholesale. We start with the dismantling of the bad arrangement that is not working. We have all seen it's not working. And so, unfortunately for the authors of this fraud, they put our signature as the authorization for this abomination. And that is what we are pulling back. The young people that want to see a better country, that say they want to take back their country, young people, this is who took your country. Those who are rallying you to take back your country. It is by taking down this constitution that you are able to take back your country. Every other thing you are doing is a product of ignorance or dishonesty on the part of the people leading you. It's not the people in government house that took your country. It is the constitution that took your country and handed to them in the manner they are managing it. The constitution mandated the corruption you see.
Nigerians ask, which is the way forward? And I say, if you are moving in the wrong direction, you shouldn't be going forward. You should make a U-turn.